Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Christmas has finally arrived in London, so I thought we could spend a few days together doing some Christmas shopping, making gingerbread cookies, wrapping gifts and just enjoying my favourite time of year here in the city. So let's begin. Good morning, it is November 26th today and it's finally starting to feel like Christmas here in London. I actually have a lot of Christmassy things planned over the next week and a half, which I'm really excited to take you guys along on. I'm going to a Christmas biscuit and hot chocolate making class later today, but first things first, let's clean and decorate my flat for Christmas. Here's the current state of the living room, here's the state of the kitchen, and here's the state of my bedroom. It's looking a little messy, but I promise I'm gonna fix everything up. We're gonna decorate, it's gonna look super cute, so let's go. I guess it'll be Christmas this year as well, because I managed to bring my box down from the attic. Oh, that was a pain, oh my god. Alright. Let's begin. From last year's Christmas into this one box, and I don't remember everything I put in here, so I'm excited to see what's actually here. I have some napkins, Christmas napkins, that's cute, and some bonbons that we didn't use last year. There's also tons of like fabric in here, like ribbon, which I'm going to use on my wreath and probably on some of my presents. And yeah, this massive wreath right here is what I'm going to use to decorate my kitchen with this curtain rod. And then we also have tons of ornaments which are really cute. I don't know where to put them yet though. Can you tell I like fruit themed things? Ooh, those ones I almost forgot. These are candles. Very cute. It's time to hang up my Christmas foliage, or whatever you want to call this. Piece. Let's hang up my stars. founder of Knoobs.
Having fun.
We're just two Northern Europeaners.
Being silly.
Being silly.
Being very silly. The northern sense of humor.
The northern
Not everybody gets it, but...
No, I like colours. That was so fun! I love that! And they even gave me a little bag! Good morning! I didn't film anything in the past couple of days because my week has just been so incredibly busy. I'm sure everyone can relate, like the lead up to December and to Christmas is just like... But I'm through most things now, which means I'm gonna have a full half day just to myself, walking around the streets of London and doing my Christmas shopping because it needs to be done and it's better sooner than later. But before that, I'm just gonna quickly do my skincare routine because my skin has been struggling a little bit lately. After I came home from Bali, I had like a massive breakout on this area of my face. I got a really big zit here, another one there, which is gone now, and a few on my forehead, but it's a lot better now than it was like a week, 2 weeks ago. So I always start out with just washing my face. I'll use a cleanser at night, but just water in the morning because otherwise I'll dry my face out. Every 3 days in the evening, I use this glycolic acid to exfoliate my face. This has been really, really helpful. But in the morning, I use hyaluronic acid. This is very like moisturizing for your face and it helps to just keep my face hydrated throughout the day. And I tend to struggle a lot with dry skin in the winter, so this has been really helpful. I'm gonna let that dry. Next, I'm using niacinamide and zinc. This is what has been helping me kind of keep those blemishes away and also heal my post-acne trauma, like the trauma marks on my face, which is what has been making all these like red marks that aren't zits anymore. They're just like skin trauma, if that makes sense. Then I go in with a big fat moisturizer under my eyes because my eyes get so dry, like my under eye area, and also like my cheeks right here. This is the Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask Cream. It's super thick, which is amazing for my under eyes and my cheeks, which get really dry. But the issue with me is that I have combination skin, so my skin is super dry in my cheeks, but it's really oily in my forehead, nose, and chin. So I tried using this originally also on those areas, but it broke me out even more. So now I'm using the Cicaplast Gel B5, which is another type of moisturizer that is a lot less fatty. I'm almost out of it though. I need to restock this one. Now, someone told me you don't have to wear sunscreen on all days because if the UV is under like 3, it's not really necessary to wear sunscreen. And I think the UV in London today is 1 or 0. So I'm gonna skip sunscreen today, but please let me know in the comments if this is like all wrong and I got it wrong because I wanna know. I'm also not wearing tons of makeup today. I just wanna let my skin heal a little with all the creams that I put on, but I am adding some blush. It's just the Rhode Pocket Blush in Toasted Teddy. I think I like how it adds some color to my face in winter. All right, that is the final look. Let's go outside. Quick outfit check. I got this hat from Arcade the other day and I feel a bit funny wearing it. It's like, it's a little much. But I also feel quite cool wearing it. I feel like it's a vibe with my outfit, you know? So we're gonna leave it as is. First stop of the day, Blank Street to get something warm to drink because it's chilly today. Can I try the honey macadamia latte please on oat milk? And that's it. Loves jelly cats, so I'm gonna get her this for Christmas and then I'm also gonna get myself this because it fits my bag perfectly. It's so cute. Thank you. Coolest thing I've seen all day. They made candles into like little stuffed animals. I love it. far, I've gotten 3 gifts. I got from my sister, my mom, and my grandma. I did really want to try to find a present for my brother today, but finding presents for brothers is just impossible. He's like 16 now, and it's just, I don't know what to get him. Like, what do you get a 16-year-old boy? So in the meantime, I got myself a Ralph's. The queue wasn't awful today. It was actually quite good. Sometimes it can be like 30 minutes on the weekend, so this was good. Looking for a Christmas present for me, it has to be under £10. I want this. Toothpaste. I know, but I want it. Good morning, it is December 5th and I just woke up to a gift in the mail. Let me put you a little bit further down so you can see. I do occasionally get like some PR in the mail from brands that I love or that I work with in the past, but I don't think I've ever gotten a gift like this before. Like, this is like a wrapped gift. It feels like Christmas came early, but let's unwrap it together. I believe it's from Space NK because that's what the box said. So exciting, oh my god. Ooh. Yes, it is from Space NK. It says, a festive treat from Space NK, Christmas has come early. It has indeed. Freaking love Space NK as well, so I'm so excited. Oh my god. Oh my god! First thing is this Amika volumizing finishing spray. The packaging of this is amazing. This is very needed, a jet set eye mask kit for when you need some extra support for your under eye bags. Oh my god, Glossier Bomb.com set. Rare Beauty Selena's Essential Eye Duo. I have not tried Rare Beauty yet, but I'm really excited for this. There's also a little NARS lipstick. And what is this? Oh no! Oh my god! Guys, wait! I hope this is what I think it is. It's like the Milk Makeup Jelly Cheek Stains. I've been wanting this! Oh my god. What else is here? A little Christmas candle. Yes! I just ran out of this favorite moisturizer of all time. This is the only moisturizer I can use on my whole face that doesn't break me out. Like, as you saw yesterday, I have to use one on my T-zone and one other places, but this is incredible. Christmas did indeed come early this year. Space NK, if you're watching, thank you so much. I love you, this is incredible. Now today is in fact a work day, so I do have a little bit of work to do today, but I'm also gonna try to finish wrapping all my presents that I got yesterday. And then at 6 p.m, I'm doing a little Christmas walk with my friends. They made like a whole map of streets they want to walk in that have nice Christmas lights around London. So we're gonna follow that and probably end up eating or having drinks at a pub or someplace like that. So should be fun. I'm very excited, but first, let's get to work. All right, let's wrap some presents, shall we? Also, fun fact, I do all the gift wrapping in my relationship with Theo. It's like he doesn't even try, I don't know. It just turns out so bad that I just decided I'm gonna do it for the both of us because people like to receive nice looking gifts, you know? At least that's what I tried to do. Anyway, let's begin.